Today, friends, we are going to be looking at vowels and doing a quick little review of what vowels are. Now, vowels are very special because every word has at least one vowel and many words have more than one vowel. So we are going to look at the vowels. What are the vowels, you may ask? So the vowels are the letters A, E, I, O, and U. So the reason that there's these little marks above the letters is because vowels can make different sounds. They can have a short sound or a long sound. What we're going to do today is review these vowels, and you guys are going to be drawing or writing your name on a piece of paper, and you're going to be counting how many vowels are in your name, and I want you to write them in a different color. So I'm going to do an example in just 1 second, and when you're done, you'll be uploading your work to a Google form so that we can see that you counted your vowels and wrote them in a different color if you have it. So the vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. The short sound of the A sounds like a, apple, a. The long sound of the A says the A's name, A, apron, apron. The short sound of the U sounds like egg, egg. And the long sound of the E just says its name. It's going to say E, easel, easel. The short sound of the I sounds like iguana, and the long sound sounds like I, says its name, ice cream. The short sound of the O sounds like octopus, and the long sound sounds like O, it says its name, overalls. The short sound of the U sounds like umbrella, and the long sound sounds like unicorn. So today I'm going to do an example of what you guys are going to be doing for your work. I am going to do it on my computer, but you guys are going to do it on a piece of paper and upload a picture of your work. I'm going to write my name, and while my name is Miss Ledford, I have a first name too. So I'm going to go ahead and write my first name. My first name is Allie, so I'm going to make a capital A. And it's going to look a little rough because I'm doing it on the computer. I would be able to do it a little better if I could write with pencil and paper. So I hope yours looks nice and neat. A-L-L-I, little dot, and an E, Allie. So after I write my name, I'm going to think about what the vowels are. Now remember, the vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. So I'm going to go ahead and select a different color, and I'm going to highlight or make the colors in my name that are vowels a different color. So A is a vowel. I have one vowel in my name right there. A, E is a vowel. Got one of those. I, O, and U. I have an I. No O or no U. Allie. So I have see if I can write 3 vowels in my name. So this is what you guys are going to be doing. You're going to write your name on a piece of paper, and you're going to highlight or circle or make a different color all the vowels in your name, count how many vowels you have in your name, and upload a picture of your work to the Google form.